Hello everyone, you are watching Bhavya's Food Art. In today's video, I am making the recipe of eggless whole wheat apple cake. It is super soft, spongy and very healthy. This cake has no sugar or jaggery, so it's 100% safe for diabetics as well. So let's get started. In a bowl, add 1 cup curd and half teaspoon baking soda. Mix it with spoon and set it aside. Take another bowl and sieve 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, that is atta, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now add 2 tablespoons chopped almonds and 2 tablespoons chopped cashews. You can use any dry fruits of your choice. Mix all the dry ingredients together with a spatula. Now add half cup of vegetable oil and apple puree. Here I have used 2 apples. Now gently mix together wet and dry ingredients. Now we have to add our curd mixture. You will observe that the curd has become foamy. Now add the curd mixture slowly with constant mixing. Do not add all the mixture together. Now add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, mix well, and 3 sachets of stevia powder. You can also use stevia drops or stevia tablets. Mix stevia properly in the cake batter. Our healthy apple cake batter is absolutely ready. Now take a cake tin and brush it with some ghee. Take a baking paper, place it inside the cake mold and apply some ghee on it. Now pour the cake batter in the mold. You can make it even on the top by using a spatula. Now take a kadhai, place a wire stand inside it and cover it. Preheat for 5 minutes on low to medium flame. After 5 minutes, place the cake mold inside the kadhai and spread some chopped almonds on top of the cake batter. Cover the lid and bake for 30 to 35 minutes on low flame. Once the cake is baked, let it cool down completely for at least half an hour and then unmold it. Our cake has baked perfectly. It's super soft and spongy, very healthy, and it has an amazing nutty flavor. If you like the recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all the notifications. Thanks for watching.